Heavy rain coming down across parts of the valley, and it's mostly over Hidalgo County, kind of western Cameron County, western Williston County, some of the heaviest rain right now. All the valley except for the very eastern edge, right within a few miles of the coast of Cameron and Williston counties, are under a flood watch until 9, but flood advisories you see popping up. The one we showed you earlier over parts of central Hidalgo County and western Williston County continues until 5:45. New flood advisory in effect, we'll show you in a minute, in southwestern Cameron County as well. So again, some of the heaviest rain we've been watching kind of right near the Raymondville area. Some of this coming down at the rate of about an inch or more per hour and moving along slowly, so you'll easily get more than an inch in some of these spots because the rain's already been hanging around for most of this hour. And this advisory again until 5:45. That's in the Raymondville area. Farther off to the west, you still see some heavy rain in spots lifting north of Fayetteville towards San Manuel. That rain's starting to break up a little bit, but still some pockets of heavy rain. And to the southeast, heavy rain that just bypassed Harlingen is headed up north into Williston County, but more rain popping up to the south. You see this is a flood advisory in effect until 6:30 for southwestern Cameron County. You can't really see the outline of it too much under here. It's basically this little area right here, Rangerville area, and about Los Indios, this little spot right here in Cameron County that's under the flood advisory. Again, some very heavy rain coming down. You may see some flooded roadways or some slow travel, maybe some flooded arroyos and spots around the valley with this rain. And then some of this rain extends southward into Mexico, and it's all, again, moving fairly slowly, either kind of east, northeast, or a little bit north in some cases. So the rain may be over you long enough to cause some flooded roadways. So again, kind of watch the skies for the next few hours until a little after sunset. Heavy rain also north of the valley. If you're traveling this weekend, we'll show you the travel forecast, but tomorrow in the valley, probably not as much rain. The air might be a little drier tomorrow, so mostly cloudy in the morning at 8 a.m. and a small chance for a shower in the morning. There probably will be at least some showers or a couple storms in the afternoon, but they may not be as intense or as widespread as today, but it's kind of borderline tomorrow whether it will kind of tip more toward the wet side of things. So kind of watch everything tomorrow to just, watch the radar and see if anything's blowing up. And that continues until the early evening hours. Cold fronts to the north, one front that's weakening. We'll have to wait for a second push of cool air to come down here to clear out the rain. So by tomorrow morning, there's an upper level disturbance moving through, and that could help generate some rain, but most of the rain may be pushed a little bit farther off to the east and northeast tomorrow. Behind this, the rain chances start to decrease by Sunday, but there's one last push maybe Sunday morning when the cold front comes through. It might lift the air up for one more round of rain Sunday morning, so we'll have to wait and see on that. But after about noon on Sunday, it's probably back into just dry weather, maybe some clouds and cool temperatures. Sunday may be a day when it kind of only hangs around about 70 and it's kind of breezy and cloudy most of the day, so a definite cool down for the end of the weekend. Rain chances still about 40% tomorrow and on Sunday, but Sunday's rain chances mostly confined to the morning, and then after that, dry weather comes back from Monday and Tuesday. If you're traveling Laredo this weekend, Saturday could be a dry day the farther west you go, with temperatures in the 70s, only in the 60s there on Sunday. And look at Corpus Christi, maybe some showers storms Saturday, but only in the 60s on Sunday. Even San Antonio may be stuck in the 60s most of the weekend with the best chance of rain on Saturday, and Houston could be kind of wet Saturday before cooling off again on Sunday. So tonight, maybe some evening showers or storms, but then mostly dry weather late tonight. Remember, flash flood watch goes until 9. And first 1570 forecast. Tomorrow, not as many showers or storms, but there could still be some, so watch the skies tomorrow and through Sunday morning. After that, it's mostly smooth sailing for spring break week. It's not going to be incredibly hot or incredibly cold. Highs mostly around 75 to 80. It kind of depends on the clouds. The clouds may be filling the skies some at times, especially Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, which could lower temperatures, but highs mostly still close to 80 degrees with sprinkles maybe late in the week. But we'll keep tracking the rain in your first 4 and 5 forecast straight ahead.